You're tuned in to the Kansas City Weather Report, your daily source for the latest local forecast right here in KC. Whether you're planning your commute, weekend barbecue, or just trying to figure out if you need that extra layer, Wes has you covered. So let's dive into today's forecast.
Welcome to the Kansas City Weather Report. I'm meteorologist Wes Peary. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and here's what's up with the weather. Wow. Got a little intense yesterday. I think I made it to work for 20 minutes before, maybe like 30. I think it was to work for like 30 minutes before I had to go on TV and start to do tornado coverage. If that's any indication of how I didn't think there would be 2.5 hours worth of tornado warnings, that's a lot. Now, it's going to be really interesting to see just how many tornadoes actually occurred yesterday, because the damage reports are not very overwhelming. You know, if we were to have multiple tornadoes move through, there would be a lot of damage reports coming in, especially as these storms are going through very populated parts of town. I mean, it was like Gardner to Grandview, and the one near the Truman Sports Complex, Independence, through Buckner. So I'm just going to be interested to see how many tornadoes there were. Leave it at that. But I also am saying, did not think there would be 2.5 hours worth of tornado coverage to deal with. Okay, well, it's all fine outside this morning. It's about 55 degrees this morning, clear skies, temperatures warming about 20 degrees this afternoon, into the middle 70s. About 75 degrees for the high temperature today, about 75 for the high temperature on Thursday, and really about the same thing for Friday as well. A decent little chance of rain for your Thursday, better chance of rain for Friday. No concern with severe weather for that. There might be some rain on Saturday as well. You know, our AI weather models are putting out rain on Saturday. Well, one of like the three that I look at, but it's a pretty good model. So I gotta say, there's a chance of rain on Saturday, and we'll just have to see if the other weather models catch on, or this one usually reliable weather model is just off. Because I mean, even like the most accurate weather models are off at some point. It's still a weather model. It still gets stuff wrong at times. Whatever, just Saturday, chance of rain, and then 80 for Saturday and about 80 for Sunday. Sunday, I think, is dry at this point. Monday's dry, Tuesday's dry. It's about 80 degrees for all those days. Then we're getting close to 85 for Wednesday, and then next Thursday and Friday, another chance for some showers and thunderstorms to come through. We picked up about 2 to 3 inches area-wide across the Kansas City metro. Parts of eastern Kansas got like 5 inches of rain in a 24-hour period. A lot. Tons of rain. We were underneath the flash flood warning at one point, like all the metro was. It's got a little better out there, but man, it is soggy. Soggy stuff. Hopefully we can dry out a lot today, because there's probably rain coming by Friday. In fact, let's recap the forecast before I ramble any further. 76 and mostly sunny today, 76 and a slight chance for showers on Thursday, a better chance for showers and thunderstorms on Friday, nothing severe. Near 80 for Saturday and Sunday with a slight chance of rain on Saturday, near 80 for Monday and Tuesday, and then more rain chances then showing up by the end of the following week. Thanks so much for joining me for this edition of the Kansas City Weather Report. You can find me on social media at Wes Weather. Have a good one.